elevators at the Holiday Inn Express in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is off of Interstate 40 at exit 295, Gorman Road exit. Go up to 4. These are Otis Series 5 elevators. Here we are on 4. Now head down to 1. Pretty nice elevator. Pretty typical Otis. Here we are back at 1. Now send that one up and see if we can get the other one. There goes that one. Yep, and here's this one waiting on me. Take this one up to 4. And here we are at 4. Now we'll go down to 1. Yeah, again, this is just like the other elevator. And here we are back down at 1. And now we'll end on 2. And here we are on 2. And there goes the elevator. Here's the vending room. Nice big vending room, even has a bench in here. But again, just an ice machine. No vending machine because they want you to go down and buy from the market. And we'll take a look in the hallway. Yep, here's a look at the hallway. Pretty nice corridor here. And down here is the MPE. And here's a view out the window. You can't really see a whole lot because it's dark. There's the parking lot out there. And here's the P-TAC unit. Yeah. And there's a view down the hallway. That's it.